Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to find your Trust Wallet address is a must-have skill. It's super straightforward and essential for sending or receiving cryptocurrencies securely. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this in no time. First off, make sure you've got the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone or device. With constant updates in the crypto space, staying current helps avoid any glitches. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app. You'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all your connected wallets and assets. If you're new, you might need to set up or import your wallet first, but assuming you're logged in, we're good to go. Step 2. Scroll through your list of cryptocurrencies or tokens. Tap on the one you want the address for, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever you're working with. This brings up the details for that specific asset. Step 3. Look for the Receive button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. It's designed to be easy to find, so go ahead and tap it. Step 4. Once you hit Receive, your wallet address will appear on screen. It might show as a QR code or a string of letters and numbers, depending on the coin. You can copy it directly to your clipboard with a simple tap. Pro tip: double-check the address before using it to avoid any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, a quick word on security. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Your wallet address is public and safe to share, but always be cautious online. And that's it, you've successfully found your Trust Wallet address. This process is quick and user-friendly, even for beginners. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.